You know, the reality is that we live in a world that is just full of darkness. We live in a world in which there are societies who are under a great amount of oppression. Many of them might be experiencing it like the Romans had control back in the day. Maybe it's the darkness that you experience when you are alone with your thoughts and you just go to dark places. We talked about this several weeks ago, the topic of mental health being an elephant in the church. And I'll just tell you right now, I think some of the darkest thoughts that I've ever had in my life have been when I'm alone, when no one else has been around. Maybe it's the darkness that you or a loved one has, or a friend has experienced from abuse. The darkness experienced from abuse, whether it's physically, whether it's verbally. And we may get into these moments in our lives in which we think, where is hope? Because it doesn't seem like things are getting any better. This morning, can I tell you something? Hope is here. Hope has been here all along. And hope has a name. And his name is Jesus. So, as we begin this Advent season, working our way towards Christmas, may we be aware of the light of hope that shines in the darkness. Because here's what hope says. Hope says that tomorrow is going to be a lot better than today was. When I wake up tomorrow, it's going to be way better than it was yesterday. Because to escape hopelessness, we must embrace the hope of Jesus.